Greetings in the name of Yahuwah and His Son Yahusha Mashiach. My name is Malak Shalomo. Today is the 20th of June 2024. The time is 9:40 a.m. Eastern Time. Right now I'm in a long trade on the ES at 55.68. And as I was saying in my pre-market video, my trade setup, this was a level I'm looking at for like a buy 55.68, 55.69. I believe it's weekly Camarilla R4. Yeah, so it's weekly Camarilla R4. So looking to get a buy right there. Hopefully some buyers are coming in. And what I'm looking at on Bookmap is let's see here. This liquidity here on the bid, they transacted through that liquidity, right? And then when we came back up to that level right there, we got buyers. So I believe these guys were actual buyers trying to transact. The icebergs were transacting as well, 110 of those, and we're getting constant buyers. We came back here, the volume point of control came down, we got buyers right there, and we're pushing up. So I'm holding for, let's see, I'm trying to get to let's see, I'm trying to get to, my target is 55.83.75. I believe that's just the top of the range of Camarilla R4. I mean floor pivot R4, my bad. Let me just show you right there. So floor pivot R4 is 55.84. So looking to get back up to the top of this where we fell from. So maybe even possibly overnight high. So 55.88 is overnight high. So let's see how this works out. Let's see if this reversal will play out. And let's take a look at Bookmap. Let's look at this here. All right. So the liquidity at the bottom there is supporting.
Seller sweep
Right,
and
so
Q.
we have a lot
Absorption
of liquidity
sellers
here,
and Q.
and we're getting constant buyers coming up. We have to test this level now to see if we get sellers again. Maybe we'll get some selling at this level. People will take profit on the reversal here, and we might pull back to
Justice League of
55.68.
Forebears, we are being raided. Welcome to the stream.
And this guy is
Stop
talking
ES
on the
buy.
stream, so let me just mute that. All right. And as you can see, that's Think with Bookmap on YouTube. I'm gonna get back my bookmap subscription on Friday, so no more of this YouTube streaming. All right, so we have some take profit guys. You see those guys up there? They just came into the book right above this level here. So let's see, we're transacting through those guys. We just ate up the orders. Right, my take profit moved up to, my trailing stop moved up to 55.68. Right, let me trail this as well, 55.68. No, 55.69.25. This one ain't move up yet. 55.69.25. All right, there we go. So that means we moved up 6 points in profit on this trade here. So that's when this one moves up, I think about like a point and a half, kind of like a break-even trade, you know what I'm saying? So it moves up a point and a half above the entry level. So right now we're getting back up to VWAP. Let's go back to Bookmap. We're getting buyers above VWAP. Next liquidity here is around 55.75.75. And that's gonna be, that's VWAP right there on trading view. So the VWAP is a little different. All right, so we're 6-7 points up right now. right, so we might, let's see, we're gonna transact through this liquidity or we're gonna get a little pullback. 55, 75, 75 is where we gotta get through on this liquidity. All right, we stolen a little bit. We have some iceberg supporting that. 75 just went off there. Let's see if this guy is still talking. We could get some market pulse again.
Stop ES buy.
All right, so market pulse, song and good, but we could always just look at these right here, right? All right, so we're getting a little pullback there into where that liquidity was. So we're sitting at 55.75. Let's see if we're going to maintain this uptrend. And when we get this pullback, we want to see what it does right there at 55.75. You see, he just came back in the book right there. Orders are pushing down. So let's see what they do. Next support level on liquidity, heavy liquidity, is around 55.73. So this iceberg here canceled. It stopped transacting. So no more iceberg support as far as we could see on bookmap right now. They just cancel right there. Cancel 75. So let's see if they come back in the book. All right, we're getting buyers at this liquidity level here again. That's good for the uptrend. This is a good place now to, if we get a push off here to 55.78, we could put our stop at around 55.74.50, I guess. But I'm gonna let my trailing stop do its thing for now. See on trading view, this is looking kind of like it's creating a top wick here, kind of like a shooting star. But if you look at bookmap, that looks completely different. It just looks like we're just rotating there a little bit. So bookmap is definitely more comprehensive in the way you're seeing the price level, the price action develop, and the order flow. All right, we're getting a lift off here, 55.76.50. All right, it's looking good. I'm tempted to trail up to like 55.74, but I'm gonna let it do its thing for now. All right, looking like we're still getting buyers coming in there. Nice little lift off. We got some stops coming out. I want to see more buying. I don't want to see like stops because this could be short covering that's propelling it to the upside. So I want to see some big buying coming in here as well. And this is VWAP around 55.74.50. So I want to see the buyers come in here above VWAP. If we're buying into the uptrend, we're supposed to get like institutions buying around this level here. So let's see if the algos are going to push it back to VWAP to get a retest, to get more buys, more orders, and we could go from there. You could see all of this liquidity is resting right above here, right below here at 55.74. And liquidity keeps on pressing up on price. Right, you can see it there. All right, so we up 8 points right now. Struggling a little bit, still not moving off from this level. kind of hovering around VWAP right there. Trading views, VWAP is a little different. It's at 55.7450. Tempted to close and just secure my profits, but there's no real reason to close right now. So gotta fight them kind of temptations, because you'll leave a lot on the table if you succumb to these kind of temptations all the time. Because you see 8 points, almost 10 points, kind of want to secure that, but I could let it come back to like 6 points. Right now we at 750, we up 750 points, that is. All right, we have the volume pointer control moving up there, so we're getting some reasons to sell if we start selling at this level. All right, so what I want to do now is trail my stop up to 55.73.75. All right, so just did that on bookmap. I mean on trading on NT. So 55.73.75 is the stop, and the reason for that was, all right, so we're stopped out. Let me just close here. All right, so that's the profit on the day, 267, 273. And let's see now what price wants to do. Right, so that was a long here from 55.67.50, added again at 55.68.50. to 55.73.75. All right, we're getting some buyers coming in here again. But if I jump in another trade, then I'll start another video. All right, y'all. So that was my trade. It was a reversal. Let me just go back over here, kind of show you what I was doing. It's not guesswork. This was actually a buy right here off of weekly Camarilla R4 55.68.25. So we broke above that. And then in my trade setup video, I was saying I want to get a buy right here if we retest that. We came down, we retested this level right here at 55.61.75. Got that bounce, and we're probably gonna head back up to 55.88, but I'm not in there right now. You know what I'm saying? All right, y'all. So that was my trade. Y'all trade safe and stay blessed.